Still struggling to deposit and withdraw on Binance using mobile money? In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. So without further ado, let's jump into that. All right, so the first thing that you have to do is to make sure you have an account with Binance. So the link will just be below this video. So make sure you use that link to actually register and open your Binance account. Then after that, if you already have a Binance account, all that you're going to do is to actually open the Binance account. So we're actually going to deposit. So this first part of the video will be how to actually buy USDT and deposit to your Binance simply by using your Zambian Kwacha, right? So after opening up your Binance, this is what you're going to see, right? And from there, we're going to click on where it says trade. You're going to see 4 options, but we're going to go with the first one, which actually says buy crypto with Zambian Kwacha, right? So that's where we're going to click. And then after that, our interest, we're only dealing with USDT. So we're not interested in actually depositing to any other crypto wallets, right? Our interest is to only look for USDT or to transact or buy USDT coins, right? So from here, we're going to click on USDT. From here, we're going to put in the amount, deposit or buy the USDT. So USDT is actually the dollar wallet of the crypto world, right? Here it says I want to trying to buy USDT. So we're just I'm going to put in 100 here. Then from here, I'm going to select the payment method, and we can see that we're actually having mobile money. So from here, I'm just going to go with the first one, which is actually showing here that with the 100 kwacha that I'm trying to deposit, I'm actually going to get 5 USDT, which is simply $5, right? So 100 kwacha is equivalent to $100, which is simply 100 USDT. Then from there, I'm going to click on continue. So when you click on continue, you're going to actually see this part, right? So this part is actually showing you to actually choose the payment method that you want to use. I personally recommend you using or going for MTN, right? So you're just going to punch in your mobile number. So I'm just going to paste it there, and you can see here it's actually saying you need to put in your email. So make sure you're putting in or punching in the email that's connected to your phone or laptop so that you're able to receive the notifications. So from here, I'm going to click continue, right, or confirm, and here you can see that it's actually confirming with us that we're trying to buy 5 USDT with our Zambian Kwacha. We're trying to transact Zambian Kwacha to USD, which is actually 100 Kwacha giving us 5 USDT, which is equivalent to $5. And here we can actually see the conversion rate, which is actually 19 Kwacha is actually equivalent to 1 USDT, or rather 1 USDT is equals to 19 Kwacha. So from here, these are the details, and we're just going to confirm. After there, you're going to wait for 30 seconds, which is pretty fast, right? And from here, once you reach this particular point, they're going to send you a prompt that you're going to put in your password or your mobile money password to actually authorize the transaction. And once that is done, and that simply means you're going to actually purchase your 100 kwacha, or you're going to purchase your USDT using your mobile money, which is Zambian Kwacha, right? So this is exactly how to deposit using Zambian Kwacha or using mobile money to buy USDT.